A 20-year-old woman was fatally struck by a Manhattan subway train after accidentally falling onto the tracks on Tuesday night, police said. The woman somehow tumbled onto the roadbed at the Grand Central subway station as a southbound 7 train was approaching at about 10:40 p.m., according to the NYPD. FDNY firefighters arrive at the scene at the Grand Central-42nd Street station. William Miller. EMTs attempt to rescue a woman who was fatally struck by a train in Manhattan. William Miller. The train's operator tried to brake in time, but ended up striking the woman, cops said. First responders with the FDNY tried to save the woman, but she was pronounced dead about an hour later, authorities said. It wasn't immediately clear what caused the victim to fall onto the tracks. FDNY firefighters work at the scene of the fatal train accident. William Miller. The woman was struck by a Queens-bound 7 train at Grand Central Station. William Miller.